Hi, my name is Josh Begner, Value Stream Manager of Enercon Engineering, and welcome back to our mini-series on the top 5 reasons to outsource your customized OEM industrial control panels. In previous episodes, we discussed how outsourcing can lead to significant cost savings, help companies reduce the lead time, ensure the quality of their industrial control panels, and in this episode, we'll be focused on another important aspect of outsourcing your industrial control panels, and that's flexibility. As companies strive to optimize their operations and reduce costs, outsourcing industrial control panels manufacturing has become an increasingly popular option. By partnering with a specialized third-party manufacturer, companies can take advantage of a range of benefits, including cost savings, improved quality, and increasing flexibility. In particular, outsourcing can provide companies with greater flexibility in terms of production, capacity, and scalability. If a company has experienced unexpected surge in demand for their product, they may not have the resources to quickly ramp up their in-house control panel and manufacturing capabilities. However, third-party manufacturers often have the capacity to produce a high volume of control panels, allowing them to adjust production volumes as needed. This increased capacity can also allow for faster turnaround times and reduced lead times, which can be particularly beneficial for companies that require control panels on a tight timeline. Outsourcing can also provide companies with more flexibility in terms of types of control panels that can be produced. Third-party manufacturers often have the experience of producing control panels with a wide range of applications, from simple panels for basic machines to complex custom designs for your special applications. By outsourcing your control panel manufacturing, you can benefit from increased flexibility, allowing to quickly adjust production volumes, access a wide range of control panel solutions, and respond quickly to changes in market demand. If you want to learn more about Enercon's services and how we can help with your industrial control panel needs, visit us online at enerconpower.com. You can also check out our social media at Enercon Power to stay up with all things Enercon. Thank you for joining us on our top 5 reasons to outsource your industrial control panels.